Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm with Greg today, and we're going to show you how to address a Lockstrip installation issue.
Sometimes on the initial pass of inserting the lock strip into the gasket, it doesn't fully seat into the gasket. So what we're going to show you today is how to insert that using the ball end hook tool. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by installing one of the flaps of the locking strip into that gasket. Then on the other side, preferably the glass side, we're going to insert the ball end hook tool, pulling up on that gasket, installing it over the other side of the locking strip. You can apply this technique to similar style lock strips.
For more tech tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.